What's going on? My name is Cole Connor and welcome to the very first Quickie, where we are very quickly going to go over my settings for real estate photography. Let's do it. What's going on? My name is Cole Connor. I'm an artist and entrepreneur, and I was put here to do two things: create and inspire. Thanks for being here. Let's get into it. Okay, currently and for the past 2 years, I've been shooting with the Sony a7 III. I shoot at 5 brackets, 2 stops apart. I've seen some people shoot 3 brackets, some people shoot 9 brackets, I think 3. I mean, they all turn out okay. That's the bottom line, but the most people I've seen use 5. I like it. I think it's a good in between. I think 3, maybe you can miss some details in the dynamic range, and 9 is a little too much unless maybe you're doing like a night shoot or something like that. For ISO, I've seen a lot of people go 200, 300, 400 and they go crazy about it has to be like under a certain number, which it does, but I consistently am able to shoot between 800 and 1500 ISO on the a7 III, and I never see any issues. If there is an issue, it's nothing that a little denoise or something can't fix. Even on darker rooms, sometimes I go up to 2000 or 2500. But of course, it is better if you can keep the ISO low. Some people use a remote, you can use your finger. If you stay still, just be careful. For my aperture, I used to go a little bit lower and I didn't think it really mattered, but now I try to stick from between f8 and f12. It does vary. Some rooms you can get away with low aperture, but I typically do not unless it is a detail shot. Always shoot on manual mode, obviously. And for my shutter, I just adjust as necessary. I try not to go too low or slow with it, however you want to describe it, because I do not want the camera to shake and I don't want there to be any blur in the image. So if I have to up the ISO a little bit or make the aperture a little lower to compensate so I could have a fast enough shutter, I will. I would say the slowest I go is like 1/15 is like really slow, but I try to keep it 1/50, 60 or higher. If it's outside, it's obviously going to be higher, which is great. Thank you. My name is Cole. Those are my settings for real estate photography. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. More quickies on the way.
Back with a vengeance. No cap, homie, that's what revenge is. I'm a cool cat, but I'm stuck in a race with a motherfucking rat in a pitching. Fucking at or mention me a fat rat, you be back in the kitchen.
Young soda, master splinter, mathematicians back in position.